The Shogun, Chapter 12, by Frederick Chambliss Weems. "Why wouldn't your father let you watch cartoons?" said Elise. Well, it was the '64 convention. He was watching a convention. Dad loved conventions. Nobody watches conventions. They're the most notoriously low-rated programs on television. Well, Dad never watched the high-rated ones. But you wanted to watch cartoons. But he rented the TV to watch the convention. So who was nominated? Eisenhower? Eisenhower? Well, I don't remember. I wasn't alive. Well, it was Johnson versus Goldwater. Johnson's so repulsive. You don't automatically think that if it's 1964, Kennedy's been dead for 6 months, so it must be Johnson? Well, maybe it was the Republican convention. Well, then, wouldn't you automatically assume it was Goldwater if it was 1964? Don't minimize me. What? I was born in 1967. But you know enough about Johnson to say Johnson's so repulsive. I don't have to know exactly when he was president to know what he was. I acknowledge that. You don't acknowledge that. Of course I do. Oh, that's Melissa Etheridge. What? That song. This song? Shh. I want to be her.